Smoke that bitch right to the face.
And it's me and my slime.
It's just me and my slime.
And it's me and my slime.
It's just me and my slime.
Boy, you ain't fucking with my slime. When I pulled up with this phone, on the gang, somebody died. And when I lost two of my members, that shit ran out through my mind. But I'm still up and I'm big, this bullet came about to shine. And I know you was hurt, you shouldn't have stepped across that line. Don't even care who was first, so every time y'all niggas cry, that's on my broly, you murk. This only can't be hard to find. Don't grab the shovel, dig up dirt, they always know we crossed the line. They hit that bitch about 10 times, he left that girl to use his legs. I swear that bitch do the most, she need to get up off the meds. Hop out the car with this phone, she no surviving from that leg. You might just walk down, get close, and send that bitch out through his dread. It's just me and my slime, and it's just me and my slime, and it's just me and my slime, cause 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 it's just me and my slime.
TrennchBaby, if you go forward, his whole face finna be missed. We got balls inside the trap, not the ones that me in the kitchen. We say shots and you don't die, that fuck that nigga end up missing. Oh, big old shark inside that water, don't come in talking about some fish. We gon' creep on side, I ain't eat this fucking egg. My bro hit me gone from out the meds, I think he sped. We gon' put him in a BED, that shit spill big. Hope a nigga don't see RYB, he gon' end up dead. We be pulling kick those. If bitch ain't got time, if you won't leave, then you can fucking go. You won't be, we give him counts or something like it's fucking smoke. Oh, that thing and sit him backwards, that fuck nigga hit the flow. Now I'm back up on this beat, bitch, I'm spazzing on this bitch. Tryna creep on side his car and hit his brain with his switch. Oh, the Glock and pop his top down, that's a look ass lit bitch. Got an ARP inside just like a bomb, the bitch got killed. Kick straight through your friend though. He say that his bitch hit with it, these boys is gun smoke. I'm a perk, then after that on God, bitch, I go beast mode. Switching, got some kick this bitch and knock off your throat. Send him to his owner. Way before I fuck this bitch, I caught a boner. Smoking on that gas, know you smell the aroma. Killers, they was master way before Corona. Super bet the ass, watch how I put it on them. Super bet the ass, it's not no fully. Rob them out this shit, they like TB, boy, you a bully. This bitch, she won't fuck, boy, I can tell just how she looking. If the play gon' smoke, watch how I beat up on her cookie. 4 inch, this a fully. This bitch, she put bet the ass, I'm like a fucking whoopin'. Boy, is it beef? I don't like the way you fucking looking. Stains on her shit, I just beat up on her fucking cookie. This ain't no reason.
Cause it's just me and my slime, 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 yeah.